What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know what's the attacking boss there and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. So viewers and subscribers, it is where now I saw this article, people, about this fisherman who themselves hook a 300-pound shark. January star. People, this is 300 pound them saying, and it's a shark. Oh my word, oh my precious NEWLINK. January, I could see this one, people, and don't talk about it and don't share it on my channel. So let me just read this article, people. January star. A local fisherman landed a rare catch, a short fin mako shark, after struggling with his catch for more than 30 minutes on Sunday. Kenneth Osborne told the news that he sailed out from Prospect Beach, Portland, shortly after 7 a.m. to fish for other fish like dolphin and tuna. The customary species sought by almost every fisherman, he gave no thought to catching a shark on that day. However, during this ordeal, he got a bite 4 miles off the coast of Port Antonio, which later turned out to be the shark. Jasianoa. I had no fear at all. I am a fisherman and that is what I go to sea to do, to catch fish, said Osborne. It will be a merry holiday for many as the shark is being cut up and distributed all over. Stephen Smichael, director of the Marine Division of the National Fisheries Authority, said licenses are not granted to persons to fish for sharks. However, we do understand that the people will catch them accidentally, and sharks themselves is not something common in our water, he said. Smichael said he is encouraging the public to not catch or kill the sharks, given the role they play within the marine ecosystem. They are slow growing and they don't reproduce a lot, so if you fish commercially, they are at risk of getting wiped out, Smichael explained. He said the authority will treat it as an accidental catch, as he agreed fishermen do not go in search of shark meat. Smichael said the meat will be difficult to sell and there are not many other uses for it. He then cautioned fishermen that in the event they believe a shark is on the line to release it. The shark, which weighed 300 pounds, was caught up and bagged by dozens of residents who gathered at the beach to witness the historic catch. Some were overheard saying that they were going to curry brown stew and grill the meat. January viewers and subscribers, boy, honestly still people, me I be honest, me would eat none. Cause number one, me not eat no shark. You understand? Number one, me not like when they swim around them too big. You understand? Yeah, me not like when them too big people. Me love when they swim around them smaller. You get what me I say? So me not eat no shark, me not eat no dolphin, me not eat no barracuda, and my thing them to eat people. Me love when my swim around them like snapper. You understand? Me jack them. Yeah, you understand me? Yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah, me eat them. There's something the people, but yo, me not eat none of them that swim around the people, them sharks something there. But boy, all me can say people, him good for pulling that, you know, a 300-pound shark pan hook. Boy, him good people. Yeah man, him in the Jamaica history book. What you mean? You have to be in there. So you don't know, people. As what the boss say, you know what I mean, the man who responds to the marine and thing there that him say, yo, if you no go out there at the sea, or no feel something on the line, or no thing say, yo, it's a shark also, you no let it go, man, nobody carry it in, you understand, because you know if you catch them, and them do a lot of work in the water to protect certain things, so, but all I can say, viewers and subscribers, man, you know, it's a historic catch, and you don't know the thing of people, the attacking boss there, man, and they just see the article and decide, say, no, I'm going to share it with my viewers and my subscribers. You know the thing of people, because at times we have to touch something different. Not sure people, even though sometimes people say, NEWLINK every day, just talk about bad. But when we talk about the good, ask them the question, people. Do they watch the good? But when they hear the bad, just them jump on it. Not sure, but in the end, people, we are on the channel and we do what we feel for the best. So you don't know, peace, love, respect, be good, be great, and be safe, and go and enjoy the final phase of 2020 going into 2021. Attack!